Mount Salem Police Station and Rosemount Community for the here this morning, sad situation with the family, with domestic violence. Domestic violence is a crime. And they have the responsibility to report to the police so that necessary action can be taken. Either refer the person to the family court so that the issues can be dealt with properly, or the offensive police their neighbors who but it seems as if the will to recognize persons in the community who makes a difference so we can get the community to gel together. It seems that there is some distance and we are feeling soon now to get back here to call the police when they have issues like that. And also that we can work together to get the community in a loving path so we can understand that domestic violence is wrong and must be dealt.
You were saying that you're looking for the 13-year-old boy who went with the gentleman?
Yes, we are trying to find
Sad day, you know, sad day this in a Rosemount, St. James, you see? Yeah. And you really and truly, as much as the people might make so much noise in the background, you have to listen to what the man in the brown suit there say. You know what I mean? Police, you understand? So, the lady that got, you know, her throat slashed is 45-year-old supervisor of a gas station. Her name is Diane Smith. The daughter of Diane Smith, that is also deceased, is 16-year-old J. Chanel Garden, you know? And the man that committed the act is known as Fabian Lucan. Yeah, Fabian Lucan. So police are now looking for the son of the father because obviously the man have a son different from how she have her daughter, and they're now looking for the son. They don't know where's the son whereabout, but they found the body of the man washed up all the way in the rear cobra of the St. Catherine, you know, river there. Yeah, he seems like he committed suicide or something like that. You see it? Either way you take it, you know, can't good. If man were God or woman was Satan, or if man was Satan or woman was God, either way, this war has been coming from beyond time itself, as according to biblical terms. You see it? domestic dispute have caused many lives, you know, and might cause many more as well. So make sure, so when you pick and choose your partner right, you know what I mean? And even when you choose right, sometimes the struggles of life just knock them senseless. Sometimes me myself even fear I'm a one woman. You see what I say? If you ever hear me say a while ago, she killed me. Just kidding. Anyways, there's no way nobody can really replace these things, these people's lives, you know. And for the family members and the friends who wish you know all the best, man, not telling a lie, because really and truly, man, know that this must be a hard time right now. Alright? So I'm going to say, so people can learn from these mistakes, you know what I mean? And just wish more life and better things for everyone, not just the family member, but everyone. Anyways, if you need to know more, you have to click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and thanks for the viewing.